what is the your take on automatic conversion to subscriptions after a trial period? Sorry, I know it's kind of a lot, but.
Gentlemen?
Well, maybe just, it seems to me that one thing that might be useful is not addressing the third question, but maybe more the first, which is, my opinion is that and our experience is that price structure usually is designed from the point of view of the seller, and actually more often should be designed from the point of view of the buyer, and that it's like a suit of clothing. It will fit the buyer or it will not. And if it doesn't fit them very well, you will experience high churn and you will not achieve a lot of market penetration. Noting that over time, sometimes buyers change in what they want. I mean, there's, although there's many, many subtle permutations of it, there's really only sort of three types of pricing. There's fixed, there's variable, and there's semi-fixed. And what we often find is that there has been a hunting cry within a company, we must go fixed. Everyone loves subscriptions. And that's just not true. I mean, any given market we've ever looked at in depth, there is some portion that wants variable, some portion that wants fixed, some portion that wants semi-fixed. And you can usually get anywhere from like a 5 to as much as a 25% price jump in terms of price level if you suddenly give people the price structure they want. And that's usually a function of a couple of things. One of them is volume. Usually, large volume buyers want fixed prices because the law of large numbers allows them to understand fairly accurately how much they're going to be buying. Smaller customers who do not have that benefit, whose consumption may go up and down, hate subscriptions by and large, and therefore they want some degree of variability. Because there's one thing people hate is buying something and then not using it. I mean, markets really resent that. So my suggestion would be only, you know, look and you'll find that there are subsets of a market that do all three, that want each of those three variations. And you will be rewarded for offering it to them. Whether your billing system can accommodate it, that's a different question perhaps. But nonetheless, there are people, you know, who, you know, what FTC, et cetera, that will offer a billing system that you can custom tailor. But first find out what the market wants.